Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Logger Pro is installed and your camera or video file is accessible. Open a new experiment and choose Video Capture or File Import. This ensures Logger Pro reads frames in sequence. Once done, drag your MP4 or AVI into the video panel and verify frame rate and resolution match the source. Make sure timecodes align with intended analysis. If they do not, adjust frame rate or use the trim tool so your first frame corresponds to t equals 0. Next, calibrate the spatial scale by placing Logger Pro's calibration line on a known length object in the frame and enter that distance. Then set the coordinate origin and preferred units so distances convert correctly. This matters for velocity and acceleration calculations. Create tracking points on the object. Start with an initial manual marker, then apply auto-tracking if contrast is sufficient. Once done, step through frames to confirm markers, follow the object, and correct any jumps manually to maintain continuity. Finally, generate the analysis by selecting position, velocity, and acceleration graphs from the Analyze menu. Logger Pro computes derivatives and shows the data table simultaneously. Once satisfied, export results as CSV or save annotated frames and the experiment file for reproducibility. Make sure to back up the experiment file. If markers drift or auto-tracking fails, adjust video contrast, apply a mask to isolate the object, or switch to manual keyframe tracking. This troubleshooting step corrects most tracking errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.